Welcome to CADX TV. Today is Monday, January 9th, 2012. My name is Frank Fortunato. News from Syria indicate that the government is again firing on civilians. This is the day that the Arab League also announced that their observer force had been largely ineffective at stopping the violence, but they've now decided to increase and augment the size of the observer team. Let's see if that makes any difference. Meanwhile, in Lagos, Nigeria now, the civil strife has now spread to the Nigerian capital. This is over the government's decision to end fuel subsidies on January 1st, which has caused the price of gasoline to soar. Thousands of people took to the streets in downtown Lagos. The price of bread, for example, has already doubled, and this is in a country where most people live on $2 a day, despite their oil wealth. A new player in the nuclear insurance industry has appeared with the launch of the Malta-based insurer called Northcourt. It's going to be underwritten by the Lloyd's syndicate Amlin. It's the first new nuclear insurer in 30 years. People might be wondering why, with the Fukushima plant, people are getting involved in nuclear coverage. This is why 60 new reactors are under construction right now, and 400 more are planned in the pipeline. The giant Airbus A380 has some more problems today. Australian aircraft engineers have called for an immediate inspection of the wings after tiny cracks have been found in some planes owned by Qantas and by Singapore. "There is no way in God's earth that I would be waiting 4 years to inspect them," said the president of the Australian Aircraft Engineers Association. Airbus said that they have found minor cracks on, quote, non-critical wing rib attachments, and that the company has developed an inspection and repair procedure which would be scheduled during the 4-year maintenance checks. Xing Junbo, who is the chairman of the China Insurance Regulatory Commission, has warned Chinese insurers that they need to develop strong internal management and back office systems in order to make sure that their abilities to compete in the insurance industry globally do not deteriorate. He said that some companies were blindly chasing market share with no thought as to the cost effectiveness or the profitability of the products sold. The MV Rena container ship, which hit a reef in October off New Zealand, has finally broken up. There's a big chunk of it still sitting on the reef, but no oil is thought to be on board any longer. 6.6 earthquake struck off the Pacific Solomon Islands group this morning. No reports of any damage or injuries, nor any tsunami. In California, arson has been suspected at a cause of a fire that destroyed 14 big rig trucks, as well as several trailers. This is at a farm operation owned by the Harris Farms cattle operation. They're the largest cattle feeder and beef processor in the country. There's no damage figure yet. That's the end of the news for today. If we have any breaking news, we'll come back and tell you. Thank you for watching.